In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a habit tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, clean table you can update in seconds each day, so you can see your progress at a glance and stay consistent with the habits that matter. Start by opening a new page in Notion. In the empty page, type /table, then choose Table View. This creates a straightforward database that's perfect for daily check-ins. If your table appears inline on the page, that's totally fine. You can still use it exactly the same way. Let's set up your first column, which is the backbone of the tracker. Click on the name of that first column and rename it to date. This is where each row will represent a day you're tracking. Begin populating it with your days. You can type the first date, press enter to add a new row, and continue down the list. Keep your date format consistent, whether you refer something like 2026-03-06 or March 6th, 2026, so it's easy to scan. Decide the span you want to track, such as a week or a full month, and add each day as its own row. If you make a typo, just click and edit. Everything is flexible. Now let's add the habits you want to monitor. At the top of the table, click the plus sign to add a new property. Choose checkbox as the property type. Name it after your first habit, for example, meditation or gym. The checkbox makes it crystal clear whether you completed that habit on a given day. Just a quick tick for yes, leave it blank for no. Keep your habit names short and specific so they fit neatly in the column and you always know exactly what you're marking. Repeat that same process for each habit you want to track. Click the plus sign, select checkbox, give it a clear name, and move on to the next. You can drag columns left or right to arrange them in the order you use most often. Aim for habits that are binary and measurable, like read 10 pages, water plants, or no sugar, so checking the box feels unambiguous and satisfying. Using your tracker is simple. Each day, find the row for today's date and tick the boxes for the habits you completed. As the days fill up, you'll see patterns emerge, streaks to be proud of and areas to tighten up. Keep it lightweight, update it regularly, and let those check marks build your momentum. That's it. Your Notion habit tracker is ready to go. Keep it visible, make it part of your daily routine, and enjoy watching your consistency grow.